The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 feels like the holy grail of foldable phones. It's super thin and light, so it feels like a regular phone in your pocket. And yet, the new Fold packs a bigger 8-inch display when opened. Samsung also upgraded the camera system, including a 200 megapixel main shooter and an ultra-wide camera that takes much better macros. And having Gemini Live always at the ready is a game changer. The $2000 price is super expensive and Samsung ditched the S Pen, but overall, this is the best foldable money can't buy. It's pretty rare that I am so excited by a foldable phone that I am tempted to buy it. This is one of those times. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is not yet another iterative upgrade. It is a huge leap forward in terms of design. It's so thin and light. I was shocked every time I picked it up for the first week of using the phone. You are no longer being penalized for wanting a phone and tablet in one device. In fact, the Fold 7 is lighter than both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra and also thinner than both of those phones when open. That's pretty freaking amazing for a foldable with a enormous 8-inch display on the inside, a 6.5-inch screen on the outside, and a powerful new 200 megapixel camera. At the same time, Samsung is charging a staggering $2000 for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is the second price hike on this model in 2 years. And the phone maker made some sacrifices to get he fold this thin. Bye bye S Pen. Now that I have been living with the Galaxy Z Fold 7, here is my reasons to buy and skip in my full review, and how it stacks up to other flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts at $1,999 for 256 GB of storage and 12 GB of RAM. No, that's not a typo. That's $100 more than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the most expensive phone you can buy in the US. The Fold 7 is more affordable in the UK and Australia, with prices starting at £1,799 and 2,899 Australian dollar. Opting for the 512 GB model will run you $2,199 Want to try 1 terabyte? You are looking at $2,419 but at least that includes a bump in RAM to 16 GB. The large camera lump on the back holds the 200 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 10 megapixel 3x telephoto cameras. The Fold 7 also has two 10 megapixel selfie cameras, one in each screen. The main 200 megapixel camera is the best of the bunch, matching that from the S25 Edge. It is a top drawer camera capable of capturing great images across a range of lighting conditions, and it is a significant upgrade on previous generation phones. The 12 megapixel ultra wide camera is solid and capable of taking some very good close-up macro photos, which is always fun. The 3x telephoto camera is equally good, producing great portraits, but it gets a bit soft and grainy indoors and can't match the 5x zooms on top slab phones. The selfie cameras are a similar story, with great detail in good light that quickly becomes a bit grainy indoors. You can shoot selfies with the main camera using the outside screen as a viewfinder when the phone is open, which produces much better results. The camera app has plenty of modes, is straightforward to use, and shoots equally solid video. Overall, the Fold 7 has a great camera system that is not a significant downgrade on flagship slab phones, which is thoroughly impressive. Here are some camera samples of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung has done it. They have won over a foldable phone skeptic with a design that just feels right. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a trump of engineering, packing larger displays in a design that's so thin and light you forget that you are carrying a foldable around. You get two vibrant screens in one device, awesome multitasking power, and a flagship-grade camera system. And the AI features really shine on this bigger canvas, especially Gemini Live screen sharing. So what's the problem? The $2000 price is super steep, and I wish Samsung found a way to pack in a larger battery. I personally can live without the S Pen, though creatively inclined users may be peeved, and I really don't mind the punch hole camera. The megapixel upgrade makes up for it. I think the Galaxy S25 Ultra is better option if you want longer battery life, even better cameras, and S Pen support for hundreds less. But if you are even thinking about splurging for a foldable, you will be more than happy with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's the best foldable phone you can buy in the US and maybe the world. It finally feels like the future we were promised is here.